The asparagus is starting to recover after the wind. The ferns are starting to stand up nice and erect, because we had a lot of wind and it damaged them all. This one's watering again. This is my favourite bed of asparagus, by the way. UC157. Yeah, very good. Look at the space on them. I have to get some water on it. Yeah, it got a real damage off the wind. These are the beds. But they'll survive. They're nearly finished now. October. A few more weeks. The best set of Sutton broad beans I've had for a long time. And there's plenty of buttons on the sprouts now. They want spraying. And the peas and that are flying away down here under these clutches. Very good. And the broad beans are through.